So we'll start with third question. Okay. Third question, read the third question. The table shows how Robin spends a holiday. How Robin spends a holiday. Okay. A holiday he spends. So in holiday, how many hours are there? 24 hours. Okay. So we'll be discussing how these 24 hours has been divided between different activities and how. Okay. So activity, we have the activities, then number of hours. Okay, we have to make a bar graph and a pie chart. We have to make a bar graph and a pie chart. Okay. So in first column, I am taking the name of the activity. Okay. Here we have activity. Okay. And here we have number of hours. Each activity. Okay. So activity, how many activities are there? 5 activities. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, leave space on this side. While you make this one, we're making pie chart as well. Okay, so there will be one big column and then small column. Okay, like this graph here, table you have to make. Okay, here we'll write the angle and here we'll write the that angle. Okay, conversion we'll write here. Okay, so 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so activities are first one, studying. Second, sleeping. Third one, playing. Eating. And others. Okay, that is all remaining activities you put in others. Okay, number hours 8, 8, 3, 1, 4. Okay, okay. So in a day he spends 8 hours in studying, for studying. Lot of hours. 8 hours in sleeping, 3 hours in playing, 1 hour in eating, and 4 hours in other activities. Okay. So minimum 8 hours everyone must sleep. Minimum 8 hours, and children must sleep 8, 9, or 10 hours. Okay. And the infants they sleep 14, 20 hours, mashallah. Okay. So these are the number of hours. Okay, studying. So we can draw the bar graph. We can draw the bar graph, yes or no? How to draw the bar graph? X-axis, Y-axis. Here we'll take the activities. Okay. Each bar will be of the same width. Height will be different. Width will be same. Okay. So first activity, like 1 centimeter we leave. Next 1 centimeter I mark. This is studying. Study. Okay. Next one activity, I mark sleeping. Okay. You can write 4. So 1 centimeter you leave. Next 1 centimeter you will write studying. 1 centimeter you leave, or half centimeter you can leave. So we are leaving 1 centimeter. It's fine. Only 5 activities are there. 1 centimeter you leave. Next 1 centimeter you will mark sleep. Leave 1 centimeter, and next 1 centimeter you will mark play. Okay. Leave 1 centimeter. Next centimeter you mark eating. I'm writing only eat. Okay. Leave 1 centimeter and mark others. Okay. These are the activities. Okay, activities you have written here, and number of hours on y-axis. Number of hours. Okay, so here I am taking total 8 hours. So 1 centimeter as 1 hour. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, you can take 1 centimeter as 1 hour. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hours. This is clear? This is clear to all? Okay, now bars you have to make. Studying how many? 8 hours. So make a bar, rectangle bar. Okay, 8 hours. This is clear? 8 hours we have made. First bar of studying. Second of sleeping. Sleeping here of 8 hours. So it will be of the same height. Always remember there is a gap between each activity and each bar is of the same width. Length is different, okay? Playing only 3. He plays only 3 hours. Okay, eating 1 hour. Others 4 hours. So up to 4 will make. Bar graph is clear to all? Bar graph is clear? Bar graph is clear?
Sir.
Okay, now how to make a pie chart. We'll be discussing how to make a pie chart. Okay?
Pie chart. Okay.
Pie chart. Okay?
Pie
So pay
chart.
attention here.
Okay. Pay attention here.
Devraj. Devraj, please mute yourself. Okay? So we are discussing the pie charts now. Okay? So in pie chart, see here. We are having the whole circle. This is the whole pie. Okay, this circle we are going to divide into sectors. Okay, depending on how much activity, how many part of active. Okay, for example, we are doing study 8 hours. Okay, 8 hours total is how many hours? 24 hours in a day. So we'll be converting these 8 hours out of 24 hours in a sector on a circle. Sector on a circle. How many degrees will this 8 will represent in a circle? Okay. So how to first we'll find the angle. Angle of the sector we'll find. Okay. Angle how to calculate? It is 8 out of 24. It is 8 out of 24. We calculate the fraction. Okay. And out of the angle, it is how much angle? We'll do this one. So 360 divided by 24, it is how much? Tell me how much it is? 360 divided by 24. Calculate it. 360 divided by 24. Calculate and tell. Calculate and tell. How much degrees is it? 15 degrees?
15.
Okay. 15 degrees. Okay. So multiply it with 8. Multiply it with 15. Multiply 8 with 15. How much it will be?
So 120.
120 degrees. So this angle we are getting 120. You can write it here or you can write it here. Angle. Okay. You can write it here. No issues. Okay. Only do this one. Equal to 120 degree. Okay. Next one. 8 out of 24 into 360 degrees. How much? Again 120 degree. 3 out of 24 into 360 degrees. So 3 upon 360 upon 24, we have already calculated 15. 15 into 3, 45 degree. Okay, 1 upon 24 into 360 degree. This you already calculated. Multiply with 1, 15 degree. Okay, 4 upon 24 into 360 degree. How much it will be?
60 degree. 60.
54 60 degree. Okay. So see here, we have converted each activity, how much sector studying will represent, how much of the sector will sleeping will represent, how much of the sector playing will represent. Okay. So first we have calculated the fraction, that is out of 24, how many hours? 8 hours. 8 upon 24 into 360. We have calculated. Okay. Now first one, studying how many degrees? 120. So we make a good bigger circle will make and draw one radius. Okay. Now with your protector, measure 120 degree from this side. This will be 120 degree. This is 120 degree. Okay. It is which one? It is studying. So you write here studying. Okay. Next one, sleeping is again 120 degree. Now take this one and use the protector. Okay. From this line, make 120 degree angle. This is 120 degree. This is sleeping. Have you got this one?
Yes.
Have you understood this one? Okay. This time we are placing the protector here. Okay, 120 degree. Now use this line. Okay. Playing is how much? 45 degree. So make 45 degree angle. Use this line and make 45 degree. This is playing. Okay. Next is eating is 15 degrees. Make 15 degrees line angle. This line along with this line make it 15 degree. Okay. Using protector. This is 15 degree. This is eating. And remaining will be how much? 60 degrees. So it is 60 degree and it is others. Have you understood it?
Yes.
This is pie chart. We have divided pie into different sectors. Okay. Each sector represents an activity. So by studying pie chart, you can tell which activity is doing the most, studying and sleeping. You can see bigger sector, bigger sector. Least hours he spent on eating. Smaller sector you can see. Yes, sir. Have you all got? Playing 45 degrees, other 60 degree. From bar graph as well, you can see most of the hours he spent on studying and sleeping. Least on eating. Least on eating. Studying, sleeping, playing, eating, and others. Have you understood it? So draw it, everyone. Draw it in your notebook, okay? Draw it in your notebook, okay? And give me 1 minute. I bring one protector and let me. I bring the protector in 1 minute. Okay? You all draw the question. Everyone draw it, calculate it, and start drawing. Everyone draw it. Okay, I'll bring the protector in 1 minute. Okay. Okay. So for example, this is a protector. Okay. How we have drawn it. Okay. First line we have drawn with a scale. Okay. Now put the protector here. Okay. And mark 120 degree. Mark here 120 degree. And draw the line. Okay. Next time we have to mark the slipping. So put the protector with this line like this. Okay. Mark 120 degree here. Mark it and draw the line. Okay. Now next is playing. So use this line. Mark 45 degree. Okay. Next is 15 degrees. Use this line. Mark 15 degrees. Next is 60 degrees. We don't require. Remaining angle is of 60 degree only. Okay. Have you all understood how to make a pie chart? Everyone have completed pie chart?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do the next one. Fourth. Read the fourth question. Draw the frequency distribution table and then and calculate the angle. So this time we are having Rajan went to the market with rupees 72 in his pocket. So total amount of money he was having was rupees 72. He spent the money on different heads shown in the table. Okay. Displays the data using a pie chart. So total money he was having was 72. Out of this money, he spent 20 on soft drinks, 24 on chocolate, fruits 16, and rupees 12 on conveyance. Okay, while going and coming back. So we will have to make a pie chart showing this money spent. Okay, so first is the items. Second is the money spent, and this third is the angle. Okay. First one, second one, third, and fourth. Okay. First one is the item, money spent, and this is the angle. Angle on pie chart. What is the angle of the sector? Okay. Items are soft drink, chocolate, fruits, conveyance. Okay. So money spent is 20, 24, 16, 12. 20, 24, 16, 12. Okay. So we have to do the pie chart of this. So we'll find the angle first. So total is money spent is how much? Total money spent is, or money he was having was rupees 72. This total he was having, okay, here you can write rupees in bracket. Okay. Now calculate the angle. How to calculate the angle of the sector? Total is, so 20 out of 72 he spent on soft drink. Calculate it. So you can do one thing. See, in each it will be like this: 24 upon 72 into 360 degrees. 24 upon 72 into, it will be 16 into 360 degrees. 12 upon 72 into 360 degrees. It will be like this. Okay. So you can calculate once 360 upon 360 degrees upon 72. It will be how much? Calculate and tell how much it is coming. 5 it is coming. Okay. So it is 5 degrees. Okay. It means these 360 upon 72 we have calculated. Multiply 5 degrees with 20. How much it will be?
100.
100 degree. Multiply 5 with 24. 120. How much it will be? You tell. 24 into 5. Its value is 5. How much?
120.
120 degree. Okay. 16 into 5.
80.
80 degrees. 12 into 5.
60.
60 degrees. Okay. You can see if you add these all angles, it comes out to be, this sum comes out to be 360 degrees. Yes or no? 100 plus 120,
Yes.
220. 300, 360. Okay. You can check as well we have done correct or not. Okay. After this, take the compass and make a good size circle. Okay. This is the center. Join with one line. Okay. This we have done. Okay. So our first angle is how much? 100 degrees. Place the protractor here. Okay. Mark 100 degrees here. We have marked 100 degrees with scale. Join the line. Okay. This angle is how much? 100 degrees. And this sector represents soft drink. Okay, write with pencil, soft drink. Okay, soft drink. Okay, next one, 120 degrees. This time we'll use this line. Okay, use this line, 120 degrees, this much. Okay, join it. This is one. See here how I'm marking. I'm not marking in a circle. This one here is just here, 120 degree, and this represents chocolate. Okay, right? Chocolate. Chocolate. Okay, next one. It is fruits. Fruits is how much? 80 degrees. Take your protector, place it here, and mark 80 degrees here. It is 80 degrees. And it is, this sector represents money spent on fruits. Okay. Fruits. Okay. Next one remaining is conveyance. Okay. So remaining will be how much? 60 degree. You can check as well. It will be 60 degree. Okay. You can check like this, 60, or like this. It doesn't matter. It's 60 degree. It is conveyance. Okay. So we have made the pie chart. So pie chart is clear to all. How to make a pie chart? Okay, complete this one. Draw in your notebook. After 2 minutes, okay, those who are completed, they can go with next question, fifth one. Okay, remaining completed after 2 minutes, I'll start. Fifth one, I'll start after 2 minutes. Okay, after 2 minutes, I'll start. Okay, after completed. Others can do the next one. Sonia, please mute yourself. Everyone complete it first. Okay. Next we can use the same. So the number of students admitted in 4 sections of class 6 in school are given in the below. Okay, 4 sections in class 6 are there, and how many students have been admitted in particular section that has been provided. Okay, so here we'll have the sections. Okay, number of students. So we are having A section, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. 4 sections are there, and number of students are 40, 48, 40, 48, 42, and 40, I think. 42, 40. First section it is 50. 50. Okay. So A section number of students are 50, B section it is 90, it is 48, C section it is 42, and D section 40 students. Okay. And we have to make a pie chart. So we have to find the sectors, how the sector they will represent sector. Okay. So first we have to find the total number of students. It is given 180. So total number of students how many? 180. Okay. So 50 divided by 180 into 360, 48 divided by 180 into 360. Similarly, 42 divided by 180, 40 divided by 180. Okay. 360 divided by 180 is how much?
2.
2 degrees. Okay. With 2 we'll multiply each. Okay. 50 into 2, 100 degrees. 48 into 2,
96.
96 degrees. 42 into 2,
84.
40 into 2,
80.
80 degrees. Okay. If you add them, they comes out to be 360. You can see 100, 180, 96, 84, 180. 180 plus 180, 360. Okay. Now make the circle. This is the circle. Center to line we have drawn. Okay. Make an angle of 100 degrees. Everyone make an angle of 100 degrees. Place the compass protector here and 100 degrees. This is 100 degrees and it represents section. Okay, we write different pen. It represents which section? A. I write A only. Okay. So first 100 degrees it represents section A. You can write section A as well, or A is fine. Okay. Next is 96 degrees. So place your pointer here. 96 somewhere here. Okay. This angle 96 degrees, it represents section B. It represents section B. Okay, next one. 84 degrees. Put the protector here. Mark 84. Degrees. It is section C. Okay. Remaining angle, it will be section D. And it comes out to be 80 degrees. Understood this one? This is the pie chart. Have you all understood? Have you all understood? Okay, then do the next one.
Sir.
Okay, this one try. So here to draw column graph. Column graph is nothing but bar graph. Yes or no? Those columns, they are called as bar graphs. Like you make a house, you make the columns first. Yes or no? You make the columns first. So that bar graph is as well called as column graph. So you are making columns. Okay, do the sixth one. Do the sixth one. Do the sixth one. 7th and 8th will be homework. 7th and 8th question will be homework. Okay, here as well we are having A, B, C. Okay. Okay, A, B, C we have. Okay. On a popularity rating conducted by Sun Network, actress A received 40% votes, actress B received 22%, 20% votes, actress C received 30% votes. Okay, 40, 20, 30. And others received 10%. So we are having 4 columns. A, B, C actress and others. Okay, here we have the actress, here votes. Okay, popularity votes you can write or votes you can write. Okay, so 40, 20, 30. 40, 20, 30, remaining, okay, 10%. Okay, so first you have to make the column graph. So we don't require angle. Okay, how we are going to make the column graph? X